Hi everyone! In today's video I'm showing you how I made this mini album. I used the white hammered card from Paper Mill Direct, which has a really nice texture. I'll link it in the description below. Cut the card to the desired size. I did mine at 4 by 6¼ inches. For the next step, I used watercolor paints to create the backgrounds. The card works well with watercolors, but you need to work fast if you wanna do some blending, as it dries quickly. These are my pages. I played with different color combinations. Next, I adhered two pages together using some strong double-sided tape. So, for example, from 14 watercolored pages, you get 7 double-sided ones. Then I cut my covers from some greyboard. And this is how the pages should look like after gluing them together. For the next step, I used colored paper to mat the covers. And a good PVA glue. When you cut the paper for matting the covers, leave like a white border all around it. And for the glue, use a paintbrush to spread the glue evenly. Fold the sides towards the inside of the cover. This way you create a few folds that will help you trim the corners. Then you glue down all the flaps. Then use another sheet of paper to mat the inside of the covers. I used my crocodile to punch holes into the covers and pages. Then used 3 binding rings to assemble the album. This is how the album looks like so far. It's just blank pages. We have all the watercolor backgrounds we created previously. And the good thing about the binding rings is that you can add more pages if you want to. For the next step, I've chosen my pictures and added them to the album, so did a bit of scrapbooking. This is a flip through of the finished album, so I hope you liked the process of making it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with a new tutorial. Happy crafting!